Jackie. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shayna, also known as Say Shayna TX. You can follow me on Instagram. And you guys, I had to take part in this phenomenon on YouTube. It's like I tried following a blank. I had to follow the regimen of none other than my absolute favorite person on YouTube, Jackie. Now I am here for a good makeup look from Jackie Aina, but that's not what you guys are getting today. No. Oh, no. You see, me, this is like my makeup if I'm going to work. This is my makeup if I'm going to the club. This is my makeup if I'm going to a nice date with my husband. This is the makeup look that you see me in 24/7. I literally don't know how to do anything else. So I'm not going to recreate a Jackie Aina makeup look because I'm not going to put you guys through that torture because to be perfectly honest, I wouldn't know the first thing I was doing. But what I do know how to do is my hair. And for those of you guys who don't know Jackie Aina, I don't know what's wrong with you. Maybe, I don't know, check out her YouTube, check out her Instagram, check out her Snapchat. But not only is she a makeup guru, but she has some bomb. I'm talking about bomb hair. Now, she does a lot of protective styling with wigs, but whenever she releases these curls, honey, whenever she releases these curls, I'm like, come on, Jackie, where we going? Come on, Jackie. So every once in a while, she does do like a tutorial or something like that on how she maintains her hair because it's inevitable. You know, whenever she's doing her videos, she gets a lot of questions about her hair. But anyway, that is one of the ways that I thought that I could join this challenge is to recreate a hair look that Jackie Aina did. So today, I am going to try to follow a Jackie Aina hair tutorial. Alright, so which Jackie Aina hair tutorial am I going to do? Well, there are very few of them, so I really didn't have much to choose from. But I really like two of the ones that she did recently. One is actually not on her YouTube, it's on her Instagram. It is a 60-second video that she did for Dark and Lovely. She basically reviewed their newest product called the Damage Slayer. I'm going to go ahead and review the Damage Slayer similar to the way that Jackie did. And that's right, and there's more. Don't go nowhere. There's more. There's another video that Jackie did that I absolutely love. It was her, I think she called it like her day-to-day routine or something on like how she maintains her hair, and like she took you, like she went to the shower and stuff and she showed you like how she does it. But then she showed you how she styled her hair. And so some of the styling products that she used, I went ahead and purchased because after I used the Damage Slayer products, I needed to style my hair. So I went ahead and used some of the products that she suggested. So stick around for that too. Let's go ahead and get started on trying these Damage Slayer products. I ordered my products from Target.com. They actually have more products in the Damage Slayer line. It's not just that 3-step process. Also in Jackie's video, she pointed out, or she put in her video, it was like a leave-in conditioner spray or something like that. I didn't buy that because honestly, I am content with the leave-in conditioner that I have. But she went ahead and got that, so apparently she used a leave-in conditioner. But I did buy another product from the Damage Slayer line that I'm going to include in this video. Alright, so first we're going to start with step 1, and that is going to be your rescuer treatment. Now I'm just going to read it right here from the back on what it actually does. Basically it says that hair is composed of what salon experts call strong and weak hair bonds, hair's internal network. The Damage Slayer goes deep to do more than just a surface level fix. Penetrating the core with texture bond technology, this regimen reinforces weak bonds. Our powerhouse formulas also work on the outer fiber to help lock in moisture strength, creating a protective barrier that helps prevent future damage. So this is the first step to fight damage from the inside and prepare your hair for a real strength repair. This fortifying formula contains powerful ingredients and starts the reinforcement process of weak bonds. So whenever I saw Jackie doing this video, I was like, hell yeah, like I need that. I was like so interested and excited to try this.
Dark and Lovely damage layer hair collection. It's a 3-step process. Step 1 is the rescuer, aka the pre-treatment. Can't just jump right into shampoo, all right?
The directions say to go ahead and apply a liberal amount and basically just saturate it all throughout your hair. That's exactly what I did. That was step 1. That was your rescuer treatment. So moving on to step 2.
Step 2 is the restore, aka the shampoo. The cleansing. I'm just applying this, working this into my roots.
Now, the shampoo was probably like my favorite of them all because this shampoo got really sudsy, and I really like that. Now, for you naturals who aren't fans of regular shampoo, you guys, this is regular shampoo. It's not co-wash, but just so you know, it does have no parabens, no petroleum, and no mineral oils or alcohol. So it is pretty safe for your hair, just in case you were wondering. This smells super good. Yeah, this has a little bit stronger of a smell than step 1. It smells so good, and I really like just rubbing it all through my hair. This is a restoring shampoo, so it is not bad for your hair at all, and it rids your hair of product buildup while gently cleansing and clarifying your hair. So I really enjoyed the shampoo. Alright guys, so really quick, one thing that I noticed when I was buying the products at Target.com is that they actually have a damage layer deep conditioner, and although Jackie didn't use that, I was like, you know what, I really need to deep condition my hair. When I wash my hair, I always deep condition it, so I may as well get this one. So I'm going to take a moment while my hair is soaking wet, and I'm going to apply this deep conditioner, and I'll tell you guys how I like this too. I really liked this deep conditioner. It made my hair feel so very soft, and the curls were really defined, but I think I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. Let's go ahead and get into step 3, the conditioner.
Step 3 is the strengthener, aka the conditioner. Every curly girl's best friend is conditioner. You leave this on for about 5 minutes and you can rinse it out, or you can leave it in. This
conditioner is literally so good. When I tell you it clumped my curls together, it had my hair feeling so soft. The smell's not bad. It doesn't smell as strong as the shampoo. It just has like kind of a light, airy smell. I mean, I really can't say enough good things about this product. I really loved it. I actually think I would buy like this over and over again. And you guys, the best part about this product is that it's cheap. Like, it was so cool to just buy 4 of those things, and all 4 things came to, I think it was like under $30, and then with shipping it was like $30. I really enjoyed the way that it made my hair feel and look after I rinsed the conditioner out. That's one of my biggest things, is like, I know if I like a product, I know that I like a conditioner if when I rinse it out it looks like I could just wear my hair like that, even though I wouldn't. Like, you know, I would obviously style it with like leave-in conditioner and everything, but if when I rinse my hair out and I look in the mirror and my hair looks like it's already styled, I know that was some good conditioner. And that was some good conditioner. So good job, Jackie, on that recommendation. I definitely love it and suggest it for you guys. But now getting into actually styling my hair. So in another video that Jackie has, she, you know, told us a couple of products that she uses to style her hair. She did mention one product in particular that I've never used before. In fact, that brand I wanted to go ahead and try anyway. Like, I've been wanting to try them for the longest time. I don't know really why I haven't. The Camille Rose Curl Aid.
Another product that you can get from Target is the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Aid. Again, another product that's gonna make you wanna sell your little brother on eBay to pay for it because it smells so good.
So I wanted to go ahead and try that one. So I have it. Let me grab it for you. Here it is, the Curl Aid. It is the Moisture Butter. It has green tea and jojoba in it, and it is for all hair types. Again, like, she mentioned that this smells like so amazing. I'm gonna have to disagree. Like, it's not really something that would catch my attention, you know what I mean? So I started my process. I went ahead and I just used all Camille Rose products because she explained that she used the Kinky Curly, the Not Today. And y'all, that product, it is not for me, not today, not tomorrow, not ever. Like, it's not something that I like. It's not something that my hair likes. I tried it last year and it broke me out. Yeah, like, it made me, you know how like sometimes your products drip down your neck, and so it was doing that, but I started getting a reaction and I started getting bumps all over my neck. So I don't know what was the problem there. If there are any scientists watching, I don't know, leave a comment below, maybe tell me what you think happened to me, because that's what happened. And so for that reason, I gave that product to my friend. So I went ahead and used the whole Camille Rose, well, not the whole line, but I got 3 products. I started with the Curl Love Moisture Milk. It looks like this, and it has rice milk and macadamia oil in it. This product smells kind of just like this product. Again, not like too bad, but I really like this one. I really like the Curl Love Moisture Milk. And then I followed it up with a little bit of the Curl-Aid. It's really thick, if you can see here. That's what it looks like. So I just used a little bit. I separated my hair into 4 sections. And then I followed it up with, now this, y'all, this smells amazing. It smells like lemonade. I absolutely love, love, love the way it smells, but that's it. Like, it's tacky. It's like really sticky. This is a product that I would be scared for someone to touch my hair, because if they pull their hand back, their hands would be so sticky. So to be perfectly honest, it's not something that I like, but for the sake of how much it cost, it was $22.99, and I need all my coins and my money worth and so forth. So I'm going to use it again, but I'm going to try to switch it up somehow. I don't know. I'll make another video or something like that. But yeah, guys, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with Jackie Aina. Hey girl Jackie, if you're watching. Hey girl. Follow me on Instagram at SayShaynaTX. That's right. I'm right here in Dallas, Texas. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.